Today, hello guys, nimekuwa nasumkana so long kurecord video juu ya sound light, cause kila time na record video I have to hold my phone, na hiyo ndio hiyo sound juu sina mic. But today nimeorder something from KILIMALL and nitakuwa na unblock na nyinyi, so stay tuned. And please, if it's the first time you are turning into my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. So let's dive into unboxing it. Okay, love you guys. So today I have a gadget from KILIMALL. It's a stand with ring light and a microphone attached to it for vlogging, small YouTubers, and also in my Facebook page I'm Samim Humble 1, YouTube Samim Humble 1, even TikTok at Samim Humble 1. So let's unbox it and see what we got here. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page and my TikTok too. So I got here my name, Benson, and the gadget is door-to-door delivery and it's very affordable and cheap. So kudos to KILIMALL for good service and delivering this to me. I really appreciate it. It has a mic, a ring light and a phone holder. Haijafunguliwa bado, so sisi ndio tuna unbox. So hapa tuko na triple stand yenyewe. Triple stand. Has a remote. Vlogging remote. Here's the mic. So let's connect it and see if it's working. Then this one is where to connect the phone and the mic for sound, to project sound. This one. This one is the remote control for Android. It's written here. It's iOS and Android camera. Let's see the batteries now. Small batteries. So guys, you've seen it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because from now on it's content back to back. I will not disappoint you, my guys. Okay, let me reach 1,000 subscribers and views, and in my Facebook page please follow me. I've started a new page because the last one I lost it when my phone lost and my email, so I have a new page there, Samim Humble 1. And the YouTube page I had to start another one because my email and my phone got lost, and I didn't have that number that I used to register that email. So please, at now at 60 subscribers, 23 point something views. So please guys, help me to reach to 1000 subscribers. Okay, I love you guys. And these things, hii kitu nimenunua at only 600 shillings, Kenyan shillings, and though it's delivered to you by 1 to 3 working days. So it's affordable, cheap. You can order it for sound projection. It has a mic, it has a ring light, and a stand. So it's gonna hold simu for quality content, projection of your sound na hizo vitu zote. So feel free to order from KILIMALL.